racing is very, very close. They are just split seconds between the drivers that are going out there and racing in the various categories, whether between the ladies, between the youngsters, between the stars and even the elders. Very, very close racing. In the first race, 2 of the cars had problems. One blew an engine, one went off the road and damaged its suspension. So suddenly we were left with only 6 cars, and there were still 8 drivers now without something to drive.
The challenges are not hitting too many people on the track, other competitors. Keeping the cars going, because these are some old cars, so we're breathing some new life into them. And yeah, everything else worked fine. The track was lovely, the soil, not too much dust, so nice. I think everybody enjoyed it.